Hi my little champs, how are you all? Doing great at home? I want you to be at home. Don't step out because the weather is very bad outside. Yes, you can see every day it's raining, right? So I want you to be at home and especially don't touch any electronic items, maybe switchboard also you're not supposed to touch. Don't step in balcony also. Be at home. Put on your winter wears. Do take care of your health. Fine. So shall we start our day with prayer song? Today's prayer is conducted by baby Sayya.
For all that He has given us. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Thank the wonderful Lord.
Very good Sayya. Very well done. Okay, I want rest of you also to please record your prayer video song and do share with me so that I can add it in the upcoming videos. Okay. So shall we start with our academics? Yes. Okay, take out your EVS course book. See, last time we have learnt about flowers, right? Yes, I didn't receive your flower activity. I said to stand in front of flowers or get few flowers and explain. I didn't receive. Please do that activity and share your video. So today we are going to learn about, let's see what is there in page number 33. Okay, there's a rhyme. Let's see what is the rhyme about. Okay, apple, apple, red and green. Mango, mango, king of fruits. Yes, mango is called as a king of fruits, right? Yeah. Banana, banana, peel and eat. Guava, guava, soft and ripe. Papaya, papaya, orange and green. Pomegranate, good to eat. Orange and lemon, sour and sweet. So, what are there in this rhyme? What can you hear the names? Which names can you hear in this rhyme? Apple, mango, banana, guava, papaya. What are all this? Yes, these are all fruits. So today we are going to learn about fruits. Okay. Take out page number 34. See, there are few fruits. We'll just read it loudly. Okay. Repeat with Swapna ma'am. Apple, mango, banana, papaya, grapes, pineapple, watermelon, orange, pomegranate. Fine. I want you also to read loudly. If you have some toy fruits, you can also stand or sit in front of camera and show each fruit. Tell mama to record a video. Fine. Let's see what we have in our EVS workbook. So take out your EVS workbook. Open page number 15. See, we have got matching here. We have got fruits this side and names of the fruits this side. You have to just match it. Next, turn the page. Here you have got a puzzle. Shall we do this puzzle? Okay. Do it, Swapna ma'am. Get your pencil. See. Here we have got banana, apple, mango and orange. With this help, we need to complete this puzzle. Okay. Let's start. First we have got a apple. Yes. So shall we write apple spelling here? A P P L E. Apple. Fine. Next, on the top we have got B. Banana starts with B, right? So write A already we have written for apple. B A N A N A. Banana. Fine. Next, what is this? It's mango. So M A N G O. Mango. At the last we have got a picture of orange. O R A N G E. Orange. Fine. See, when we will have practical task at that time, I'll ask you to write the spellings in the notebook. Till that time you should be perfect orally. Orally you have to learn the spellings of all the fruits. Fine. Let's see what we have in our math book now. Okay, take out your math course book. See, last time we have done till missing numbers, right? Yes. Now we are gonna start with page number 30, unit 3. What can you see? Let's see. First we will go through it, then we will see what we are gonna learn today. Okay. See, we have got apples which are in different size, and the numbers mentioned in the apple are also not in sequence. Let's see what is that. We have got 4, 2, 3, 1 and 5, right? So the sequence of small to big is called as ascending, increasing. Fine. Whereas the concept of big to small apple is called as descending, decreasing. Okay. Ascending is increasing, descending is decreasing. See, when you are stepping up, when you are climbing the step, that is increasing. Okay, that is ascending order. When you are getting down the steps, that is called as decreasing or descending order. Fine. So today we are going to learn about ascending and descending order. Yeah, just now I told you, right? When you are climbing the step, it is called as ascending or increasing order, and when you are getting down the steps, it is called as decreasing. Yes. See, can you see in the first picture? You have got numbers 1 to 10 in sequence and it is going upwards. Yes. And when you see in the next picture, the numbers are from 10 to 1, that is going down. That is called as decreasing order. Here we have got numbers in sequence 1 to 10, but you will not get always 1 to 10. You will also have random numbers, and you need to identify which is the smallest, and you need to arrange it in increasing or decreasing, that is ascending or descending order. Fine. You will learn it slowly once you understand this concept. Let's see what is there in the next page. Yeah. See, look at these numbers. Can you see a caterpillar? It has got 9, 5, 10, 3, 8, 1. Yes. Now these numbers are arranged in ascending, increasing order. See, first comes 1, next you don't have 2 here. So what comes after 2? 3. Then after 3 it's 4. But we don't have 4 here. So it is 5. So after 5 what comes? 6. We don't have 6. We don't have 7. So here you will get 8. The same way after 8, 9, then 10. So this has arranged in increasing order, no matter how many numbers have skipped in this. Fine. The same way it has arranged in decreasing order as well. First they have written, however you wrote increasing, the same vice versa is decreasing. Okay. So, understood? Before we go with the numbers, I want you to do a simple activity. I'll explain you how to do. Take some size series. You can cut papers in size, maybe circles. One with small circle, big circle, little big circle and a very big circle. And then arrange them in bigger to smaller and smaller to bigger. Fine. You can take anything. You can take whatever is available at home. Think what you can use. Fine. Do it, and once you finish with the activity, then we will go with numberings, because this ascending and descending you can understand only by doing the activity. Once you have done with the activity, then we will go with the numbering concept. Fine. Okay. What can you see on the screen now? Yes, we have got red color square, bigger one. Then we have got little small yellow one. Then we have got orange, smaller to this orange yellow one. Then we have got blue, which is smaller than orange. Then we have got pink, smaller, and the last one is very small. Yes, because it is from big to small, it is called as what? Big to small is called as decreasing. The same way when we count from small to big, it is called as increasing. Fine. See now, big, small, 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 very small. This is decreasing. Whereas when we count from this side, small, big, big, little big and very big. This is called as increasing and this is called as decreasing. Fine. This activity you can do by climbing the stairs and coming down the stairs. Fine. First you understand this concept, then we will go with number pattern. Okay, once you finish with your increasing and decreasing activity, we will go with English subject. Fine. Okay, take out your English course book. Remember last time we have started with blends. Yes, see we have started last time with S and H blends, that is sure. Last time we have learned the blends starting with sure words, S and H. Today we are going to learn words which end with SH words. Okay. Take out page number 41. See, we have got few pictures here. Let's read first. Okay. Fish, brush, dish, push, bush, wash, cash, dash, flash, slash and clash. Did you notice the last sounding word is SH, sure. Whereas last time we have learned the words starting with SH words, and today we are gonna learn with words ending with SH words. Fine. These are blends ending with SH words. Now I want you to hold this book in front of camera and read these words loudly twice, and also write the same in your notebook mentioning SH blends ending with SH blends. Write the heading as ending with SH blends and write these words twice. Fine. Write, share me your photo so that I can give you a star and a smiley. Let's see what we have in our EVS book. Yeah, EVS we have already done today because first we have started with EVS subject. Yes. So let's take out your Hindi book. What we have done in Hindi, I think we have completed all the swars, right? Yes, we have done till aha. So turn the page. We have got matching here. Okay. See, this side we have got images and this side we have got letters. You have to just match it. I'll revise for you. You have to do by yourself. Okay. See, the first one is say anar. Very good. Match it with anar. Next comes say arm. Good. O say Oakley. Very nice. Then we have got E. This is second E. Yes, the second E, eek. Ang say angur. I say ainak. Fine. These are all you can identify or you can recognize once you become perfect, like we are perfect with English letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. You should also be perfect with Hindi letters, then only this matching will be easy for you. Or else I know what you do, you just check this picture, go back, check the previous page, then do matching. Yes? No, it should not be like that. First you become perfect with the letters, then you go with matching. Fine? So take out your Telugu book. Even in Telugu we have finished aha. That is achulu we have finished. Yes? So take out page number 17. See, we have got some missing letters here. What is written here? ఈ క్రింది గల్లాల్లోని అక్షరాలు వరుసలో లేని వాటిని నింపండి. That is, there are some letters missing here, right? So you have to complete this. ఈ కింది గల్లాల్లో ఆ నుంచి ఔ అక్షరాలను చుట్టి గుర్తించండి. See, we have got letters here. You have to circle R to ఔ words. Okay? You have to circle only R to ఔ words. No. You have to circle only the letters given here, not R to ఔ. See, they have given A, they have given U, they have given Ru, they have given A, they have given O, they have given ఔ. So only this particular letters you have to circle. Okay, sorry, only this particular letters, not from R to ఔ, only the particular letters which they have given. See, ఈ కింది గల్లాల్లో ఆ, ఉ, రు, ఏ, ఓ, ఔ అక్షరాలను చుట్టూ గుర్తించండి. So you have to circle it. Fine. Next, in the last bit they have given ఈ కింది గల్లాల్లో ఆ నుంచి అహా వరకు అక్షరాలను వరుసగా రాయండి. This is in sequence. How we write in English A to Z? The same way you have to write a, e, all these things. See, here you have done missing numbers. Sorry, here you have done missing letters. Here you have to identify and circle, and in the last bit you have to write A to aha. Once you finish with this, I want you to write in your notebook also. You can take your English notebook in the last page or your previous year books if you have any. You can write in that book also. Do practice to aha. Fine. Once you finish, then we will go with hallulu. Okay. So once you have done with your homework, English, math, EVS, language, okay, whatever you are doing, tell mama to record a video and share it with me. Now, because we are in term 2, I want you to practice more on writing part. Not mandatory that I should give you some writing part. You can also take initiative and start writing. Fine. Any which ways, once we finish the 2 units, then we will go with the practical task. At that time, I'll give you more of writing part. So better you start writing now only. Okay. So complete your homework. Be a good kid. Don't trouble mommy, papa. Okay. Have proper food. Take proper sleep. Complete your videos. Complete your homework. Stay home. Stay safe. I'll be waiting for your photos. I'll be waiting for your videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. See you soon. Love you all.